Oh, black and white scene. No, let's switch to the brighter side of life. What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel, Digital Connect. My name is Randall Kwabison, and if you're a subscriber to this channel, you are welcome back. If you are new to this channel, the prime purpose of this channel is to connect you to the digital world to learn a new skill for yourself and your business. I have a secret to share with you guys. This is not a secret to keep it yourself, but this is a secret to share it with others as well. In this video, I'm going to reveal to you the top 5 free secret websites you have no idea they exist on this planet. And by the end of this tutorial, trust me guys, you are going to like this website, okay? So these websites are very useful, so stick to the end of the video and let me reveal them to you guys. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, press on the bell icon and press on the share button so that the YouTube algorithm will put this video to a lot of people, guys. So without much ado, let's jump right into the tutorials. The first website on my list is called tinywow.com. This website is an amazing website, okay? It helps you solve all your files problem, guys. This website is very responsive. It works on your smartphone and your tablet. So whatever tasks we do here, you can easily do it on your smartphone and your tablet as well. So as you can see on your screens, you have a lot of functionalities that we'll quickly run through them, and then I'll demonstrate one or two of them to you guys. Then the rest you can try them at your own comfort. So the first functionality helps you to convert a PDF file to an image document. This helps you to merge a PDF files. Maybe you have 1 or 2 or 3 PDF files that you want to merge them together. This helps you do that. This helps you to unlock a PDF file with a password protected on it. This helps you to split a PDF files into pages. Okay, maybe you have 5, 10, 15 pages of a PDF file. They want to split them into individual pages. This helps you to do that. If your PDF file is very huge, the size is very huge, this helps you to compress the PDF files into a smaller size. This helps you to convert a PDF files into a Word document. This one helps you to remove a background from an image. This helps you to convert a Word document into a PDF files, as you can see on your screen, guys. And then this helps you to convert an image into a PDF files, a JPEG image into a PDF files, PowerPoint into a PDF file, Facebook downloader image. This helps you to extract images from your PDF files, guys. And then a whole lot of them. This one generates a dummy text for you that you can use them. As you can see, this is a dummy text that are generated from that page. So you can give you a whole lot of dummy text that you can generate, and a whole lot of functionalities, as you can see, guys. Okay, you can see them yourself, guys. This helps you to e-sign a PDF file, put a protected password in your PDF file, help you to rotate a PDF or QR code generator, a whole lot of them. When you come to the video section, to help you to compress a video files into a smaller size, it helps you to trim your video file, help you to do a whole lot of tasks here, guys. You can see them for yourself. Mute a video, a whole lot of them, guys. So let's quickly demonstrate 1 or 2 functionalities. So guys, let's try and merge a PDF files and see. So let's try and merge these pages. You can see here page 1, page 2, page 3. Let's try and merge them into one PDF file. So let's click on the PDF, merge PDF. Then this place will open for us. Upload your PDF file. So let's quickly upload it from our computer. This is page 1, page 2, page 3. Load it up. It's loading 3/3. Then you can see the preview here, guys. You can see the preview here. So you have the page 1, page 2, page 3. So click on merge here, and then to ask you to check for reCAPTCHA. So let's quickly check that we are not a robot. And then it's processing. You can see your PDF have been merged. So let's download it, and then let's see, it's downloading down here. I don't know whether you guys can see. So let me quickly open it, guys. So there's it. You can see that the files are merged. Okay, so page 1, page 3, page 2, I didn't arrange them well, but it's merged into one file. It is merged into one file, guys. And then let me show you additional one functionality that is very useful, guys. So let's try it, and let's put password on it. Let's put a password on our document. Okay, So let's locate the document we want to put password on it. So let's say I want to put password on page 1. Okay, so let me put a password. So I'll put protect reCAPTCHA. So you can see your PDF files is locked. So when you download it, it's downloaded. Let me open it. You can see it's asking for a password. So until you enter your password, nobody can access this page. So as I enter my password, you can see it have opened for us. So let's see if you can remove the background from an image. So let's select an image that we want to remove the background and see how it goes. So let's find an image. Let's bring this image here. Let's remove the background from this image and see how it works. If you're a graphic designer, you can easily use Photoshop to do this, but this website is very intelligent and it can also do a whole lot for you guys. So this is the image. Okay, so let's remove the background. Click on remove. Click on the process, and then let's wait for it to remove. Okay, image is ready. Guys, you can see for yourself, it has removed the background. You can clearly see the image itself. It has removed the background and it's really nice, guys. So let me show you the raw image here. So this is a raw image with the background, and then after we put it in our software, you can see that it has removed the background and left with only the software box here. So this is how you can easily remove image background with the software. What's up, guys? The second website on my list is called mathway.com. mathway.com. Okay, this website is a mathematical website that is very useful, guys. I wish I knew this website when I was at the primary school, the junior high school, and then the senior high school, or even at the university, because this website can be very useful to you guys and it is very good. So when you click on the menu here, you have a lot of topics or areas that you can learn your mathematics. You have basic mathematics, you have the pre-algebra, trigonometry, pre-calculus, calculus, statistics, finite maths, linear algebra, chemistry, and then graphing. So you can actually learn all these topics on the website. Okay, so when you click on enter a problem at the down here, there is this nice keyboard for you guys that have most of the mathematical symbols on it that you can easily use to solve your mathematical problems. Okay, so the topic you want to work on, you just click on it and then you go there. So let's try basic mathematics. So when you click on the basic mathematics, anything you add, you can easily do it. So this website will be very good for your children. Okay, this website will be very good for your children. They can actually learn a lot from this website. So evaluate, add, simplify, it asks you what you wanted to do. You know, ask 4 plus 6 and asking me what I wanted to do. So let me click on add, and then it quickly give you the answer here. Okay, 4 plus 6 add, then give you the answer here. So this website, your children can actually benefit from it. Okay, when they come back from home, let them do their work, and then you can use this website to verify the answers for them. Okay, it's a way of also showing them how to use the computer, how to use the internet, how to even use the symbols on the mathematical calculator as well. So let's say you want to find a height of this shape. So let's say if you want to find a height, let's say the height is
let's say 2, and then the b is let's say 3. Then let's go to add. Then it will ask us what do you want to find. Do you want to find the area, the volume, the area, the surface area, the parameter, the circumference? So let's find the area. So it will just load and give us the answer here. Okay, you can see that it has given us the answer here, the area axis. So this website is actually a very good website that you can use to learn mathematics, guys. So if you have a math question, you can actually take a screenshot of it, then you upload it here, and then it will help you do the calculation or work it out for you guys. So this website is very, very good, guys. So you can play around with it and then do a whole lot of mathematics, solve a whole lot of mathematics problem with this website, guys. So it's very good. So guys, let your children use it at home. You can use it to learn and do a whole lot of research for yourself. Bouncyball.org is my 4th website for you guys. This website is kind of amazing website, okay, and I know children will really like this website very well. The whole idea about this website is you use the microphone to detect whether there's a noise at a place or not. Okay, so maybe if you're a teacher in a classroom, okay, you can use this website to let the children know if they are making noise, because if they are making noise, the balls will be bouncing up. The balls will be very busy on the screen, and then when the place is quiet, the balls will be also quiet, or the balls will be dull. Then you get to know that the place is quiet. So this is a good website that children would like to play with, okay, and it works well on a smartphone as well. So let's try it out, guys. So let's try bouncing the ball. So when there's a mouse click, it just bounce like that, okay. So when you click on it, so the children can be playing around with it, and then you can see, guys, you just click on it. So you have a lot of themes here. If we are using the plastic, when you come to the emoji, these are emojis that you can use, different emojis that we can use. And when you come to bubbles, these are the bubbles too you can use, guys. And then when you come to eyeballs here, you can use the eyeballs too. You can use the eyeballs too as well. So let's switch back to the plastic, and then let's enable the microphone here. So as I'm talking, the balls are reacting. It's telling me that there's too much noise. You can see. Let me. You can just click no sound. You see. So you can just okay. Let me check out the sound for you guys to see. So you can see, guys. It's telling me to keep quiet. Okay, if the noise is too much, it will prompt you that keep quiet. So it's reacting to my voice. Okay, it's reacting to my voice. So if I clap my hands, you can see that it's jumping. So I know children really like to play with this website. It's worked very well on a smartphone as well, guys. So you can try it out. It's quite funny, but it's cool. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching. And then what's up, guys? The 4th website on my list is called HackerTyper, guys. So let me see how you can hack somebody online right now. You can see I'm writing a lot of commands here, guys. I'm trying to hack. Oh access deny. It didn't go through. Okay, guys, the brain behind this website is just to prank people. Okay, it just prank them that you are trying to hack them, but it is not. Any key at all you enter, it translates it into a block of code that you normally see on your movies. That someone will just be behind the computer and then write a lot of code that is translating that is trying to hack somebody. It's not going through, then he will try, then access deny, or maybe it goes through or something. So this kind of one of those websites that you can use to do that. And one good thing I've seen about this website is that when you have a child or somebody who wants to learn programming and they have been doing it, you will develop interest for it, guys, because as you are pressing it, is writing a lot of code. You really would like to learn how programming works, okay? And then the interest will come, and then you jump into learning programming. So this is just a prank website that you can use to prank people around. That shows that you're a serious programmer. You're writing code to access their information, which is not doing anything, guys. So the final website on my list is called cleanpng.com. Guys, this is an amazing PNG website because you have tons of PNG images that you can download them for free, guys. Actually, what PNG images, they are images without any background. Okay, let's say let me show you something. You can clearly see that this image is without any background. It's an image on a transparent background, so when you download it, you can easily use it on anywhere you want to. If you want to take it to Microsoft Word, Photoshop, any editing software you want to use it at, it comes without any background. It comes with the image itself without any background. So it's not something that you are now going to edit and remove those background. No, it just gives you the actual image without any background. So you can search for a lot of them here, guys. You can search for a lot of them here. So when you search for laugh, the 14th February is just around the corner, so it's a month of laugh. So let me search for laugh, and then let's see what you get. So this laugh transparent images, okay, we have a lot of them, about 95,000 of them on this website. So you can see a whole lot of them. So any image you download here, especially this frame, any image you download here, you can easily download it without any background on it, okay? And it's free to download, guys. So this is very useful website that if you're a graphic designer, you can actually get a lot of resources from here.